Dominic! Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. He's alright. Stop it. Stop moving. What were you thinking? Okay. Now help me pick this up. Okay, you're done. What? You're done. Why? Because you ran into the thing. Where's my phone? Did I throw it on the floor?
No, I don't want to be done.
Oh my gosh, I'm still recording.